Good morning children and Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Ma'am Homa with a new topic of general knowledge and that is about plants. Children, today we have to learn third kalma. So please first raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahul akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Recite again. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. One more time. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Now let's discuss types of plants. Plants are living things that grow on land or in water. Plants can survive almost anywhere on earth. Here we have different types of plants. Some are flowering plants which have different colors and different shapes of flowers. And some are non-flowering plants. All plants make their own food, taking energy from sunlight. Plants are living things. They need food and their food is air, water and sunlight. Plants are living things but they cannot move from one place to another place. Some plants are grow in home garden, but some plants grow in a woods or in jungle. Some plants are small which we can keep in small pots, but some plants become big and we plant them in a soil. And after some time they grow like a big tree. Now what are these children? What do you see in this picture? These are flowering plants. These plants have different types and different colors of flowers. Some flowers are in purple color, some are in yellow, orange, white, and some flowers are in multicolors. And these flowers look beautiful and makes your house more beautiful. Now we have fruits. We get fruits from different plants and those plants are called fruit plants. Children, what do you see in this picture? Do you see different fruits? Yes. And all these fruits have different taste and color. So let's discuss first about an apple. Is the apple red? Yes. And what is one thing important about an apple? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Look at banana. Banana is yellow or eating banana is very good for your health. Grapes. Grapes are green and they are very sweet and juicy. Oranges. Oranges are contains vitamin C and it is very good for your health. Watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside and it has lots of seeds and the color of seeds are black and its taste is very good and this is juicy fruit. Strawberries. Strawberries are red in color and they have tiny dots on its skin. Pineapple. It has thorns on the outside layer but it is very tasty fruit. Children, do you know what is garden? Garden is a place where we see lots of plants. Some are flowering plants and some are non-flowering plants. And plants make the garden beautiful. In garden we see lots of beautiful roses, sunflowers, lilies and many other plants. Plants have a life cycle of different stages like seeds, young plants, mature plants, buds, flowers and then fruit. Plant starts life as a seed which grows into a plant. The mature plant produces flowers which are produce seeds in a fruit. Then plant finally dies leaving seeds which produce new plant. When we plant a seed in soil with fertilizers and pour some water and wait for few days, it starts growing into a plant and when we taking care of a small plant after a few years it become a tall big tree and it can be a fruit tree. Now here we have different types of leaves and they all are in different colors. Some leaves are green, some are brown, some are orange and yellow and all these leaves are in different shapes. Now children, all the plants have different leaves and these leaves are in different shapes. Now take your palm and look to your finger. Are they same in size or shape? No, they all are different. Similarly, in different kind of plants, they have different kinds of leaves. Some are spear-shaped leaves, some are hand-shaped leaves, some are needle-shaped leaves, some are round-shaped leaves, some are heart-shaped leaves and some are long and spiky leaves. Now children, I have planned an activity for you and that is collection of different leaves. For that, what you have to do, you have to collect different types of leaves from your garden and you have to paste them in your art book. At the end, you will get some blank pages. On those pages, you have to paste these leaves. Now it's time for reading. Let's read first word. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. S-T-E-M. Stem. L-E-A-F. Leaf. B-U-D. Bud. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. T-R-E-E. tree. Fruit, fruit. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Banana, Banana, banana. Pineapple, pineapple. Rose, rose. Grapes, grapes. Garden, garden. Seed. Big, sun. Flower, sunflower. Mango, mango.